Did you know that one humble purple flower can protect your liver better than most modern supplements? It's called milk thistle, a plant so powerful that ancient healers used it to save lives after mushroom poisoning, and today it's still one of the most trusted herbs for detox and liver health. But is it really as magical as they say? Let's find out. Milk thistle is a striking Mediterranean plant with vibrant purple flowers and unique milky white veins on its leaves. Legend has it that those white veins came from a drop of the Virgin Mary's milk, which is how it got its name, milk thistle. But don't let its pretty appearance fool you. This plant is one of nature's most powerful defenders. For over 2,000 years, it's been used as a remedy for liver and gallbladder issues. Even the ancient physician Dioscorides mentioned it in Greece for expelling bile, meaning that it helps detox the liver. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, milk thistle was part of almost every herbal garden in Europe. People used it after heavy feasts or when they felt their digestion was sluggish. In the 18th century, British herbalists even recommended it for melancholy, linking mood to liver health. Interestingly, modern science has found a connection between liver health and emotional balance. Cool fact: in the 1970s, German scientists isolated the active compounds in milk thistle and named them Silymarin. These group of powerful antioxidants are primarily found in the seeds and have made milk thistle one of the most studied herbs worldwide. So, what's inside this herbal powerhouse? Its magic mainly lies in Silymarin, a complex of flavonolignans like silybum. Its magic mainly lies in Silymarin, a complex of flavonolignans like silybum. Besides that, the seeds contain a good amount of vitamin E, linoleic acid, and antioxidants. These nutrients support cell repair and help reduce inflammation. Now, let's talk about what milk thistle really does for you. First up, liver protection and detox. This is its superpower. Studies show Silymarin helps regenerate liver cells and protects them from damage caused by alcohol, fatty food, and even heavy metals. That's why it's often recommended after periods of overindulgence or long medication use. Next, it supports digestion by stimulating bile flow, helping your body digest fats more efficiently. And let's not forget about skin health. By supporting detox pathways, it may indirectly help clear up acne and improve skin tone. Plus, its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects reduce oxidative stress. This means it can help slow down aging at a cellular level. Lastly, some studies suggest that milk thistle can improve insulin resistance, especially for those with type 2 diabetes. And here's one fact that always surprises people. Milk thistle has been used as a natural antidote for Amanita mushroom poisoning, one of the deadliest mushrooms out there. In fact, doctors in some European hospitals use injectable Silymarin extracts in emergencies. That's how powerful this herb can be. Now, how can you enjoy milk thistle at home? The simplest way is to make tea, but there's a little trick to it. Since the seeds are hard, you want to gently crush them before use. Just crack them open, don't grind them into powder. Here's how to prepare it. Take about 1 teaspoon of crushed milk thistle seeds per cup of water, boil the water, then pour it over the seeds. Cover and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and drink 2 to 3 cups daily, ideally before meals. You'll get a mild, slightly nutty flavor, not your typical herbal tea taste, but surprisingly pleasant. If you like, combine it with peppermint or lemon balm to make it smoother and more aromatic. Milk thistle is generally safe and well tolerated, even in long-term use. However, it may interact with certain medications metabolized by the liver, so it's wise to consult a professional if you take regular meds. And a small tip: consistency matters. It's not a one-cup detox. Its benefits appear gradually, usually after 2 to 4 weeks of daily use. So next time you feel your body needs a little help after long workdays or heavy meals, remember the purple flower that's been healing livers for centuries. It's not a miracle in a cup, but it's definitely one of nature's finest protectors. Now you know why milk thistle is called the liver's guardian angel. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe.